Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a very quick do my hair with me. I'm thinking of doing a side slick low ponytail vibe. So keep in mind my hair is a bob currently. Thank you very much for the support from the previous video. I haven't really seen how many views I've got there yet, but it's better than zero. That's what I always say. What else? Anyway, so for this hairstyle, I am going to be using like 3 different kinds of combs. I use this comb because it's a bit of a bigger bristle for me to comb through my hair without breakage. Then I use this comb obviously to open my line and to also slick down after this. Then I use this brush to get the maximum slick. And then obviously I'll be using this guy. I'll also be using this guy for moisture. I'm using the Dark and Lovely anti-breakage oil moisturizer. I've had it for a while because I don't usually use it a lot. But I put like a pea size and I rub it all over my hair. I do put a lot of gel in my hair, so my hair does get a bit dry, and I don't wash my hair as often as I probably should. But yeah. Then I take my comb, what do they call this? I don't know. And then I'm gonna open my line. I usually, so I put some got to be glued to make the line a bit finer and more precise and more defined. Just, you know, for precision. My arms are big. I'm gonna comb it back. Comb it back a bit. Do that. Then this is when the brush comes in. I'm gonna take a bit of gel. I'm gonna take a bit of the got to be. Take a bit of the got to be like a pea size. My hair is relaxed, so I don't need a lot of product. I just lay it down. Lay it down. I don't really have much hair ties anymore, so I'm gonna be using a string of wool to just tie it up, secure it. Still using the got to be glued, I'm about to lay my edges. So I'm using this. I do have this, which was bought by my friend, but it's usually what I use for brows. So I'm going to use this for my hair. It's basically an old mascara thingy-majiggy that I turned into a spoolie. So I take some gel and I start like this. So it's really... So I basically lay it according to the way I want it to go. My edges never look the same, like consistently, because sometimes the SwOOp is big, sometimes the SwOOp is small. I think the last time I did this hairstyle, the swoops were very small, meaning I had like 3 or 4 swoops this side, but today I'm only gonna have like two swoops that are going to the side. And then I like to like have a little edge thing going on, so I'm gonna pull out some, not edge, what's the sideburn, so I'm gonna pull that out, and this is what we're looking like, right? And then this side, because I don't really have much hair to pull out or show, I only just do the side burn. And then I take a bit of the gel, take like less than a pea size, so I want this to stay, my hair is not that long, so I want this to like sit down and not move the whole day, hence the gel. So I do that, slick it, slick it, slick it. Guys, and we're basically done, and I hope this is another 5-minute video. Let me do like a slow reel thing, but I'm basically done. I'm coming out.